So I can definitely say for a long time, I thought Google Gemini was not that good. And it really wasn't, let's be honest. But in the last 3 months, it has been amazing. One of the things that we used to have to use n8n for and make simple agents for is really easy in Google Gemini. So let me run you through making a brand new gem, and then I'll talk about when are the use cases that this really makes sense. Once you get into a Gemini Gem Manager, just go to New Gem here, give it a name. Let's say we want to make Instagram thumbnails. And I'll give it a little description like, use this Gemini gem to make Instagram thumbnails for your reels. The instructions are really critical now. This is the system prompt or the system instructions you can think of to tell this gem what to do or this AI what to do. Now, before I put those in, I'm going to go down to this default tool. You have a couple different tools to work with Gemini Gem. It's not as flexible as, say, n8n, but here's Create Images. This is using Nano Banana Pro by default. Okay, so you can give it really easy instructions, and I'm just going to do something simple. Of course, you could leverage Google Gemini to write a prompt for this, but let's say it's something like, please create an Instagram thumbnail based on the topic or the video transcript that the user has provided you. There we go. So now we have that. The default tool is an image, and there's something to talk about here on the knowledge where you can upload files or add to Drive. If you do connect to a drive, it will stay updated. So let's say you wanted to connect to your offerings or a description of your business. This would be a perfect place to do that. And you wouldn't even need to redo this gem if you were updating your descriptions or your offerings or anything like this. Now, I'm going to drag a transcript right into here. Please make an IG thumbnail for this. There we go. And now it created a dynamic thumbnail that we could use within Instagram based on this video itself. And let's talk a little bit about when you would use this or a Google Gemini gem over creating something custom in n8n. If you're already on Google Workspace and you want to just have a simple agent that performs things, looks at specific knowledges, and follows the same instructions over and over, consider using a Google Gemini gem. And the reason is I can share this with anybody else on my team.